Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common question that many Excel users face when working with loops and VBA macros. Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to reference another cell within a for each cell in ActiveSheet? UsedRange loop? If so, you're not alone. This is a crucial topic to understand, especially if you work with large datasets and need to perform complex operations on specific cells. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Excel VBA programming and explore how to address other cells within a for each cell in ActiveSheet. UsedRange loop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of the concepts and steps involved and be able to apply them to your own project. When working with loops in VBA, it's essential to understand how to reference cells correctly before each cell in ActiveSheet. Say, UsedRange loop is particularly useful when you need to iterate through a range of cells on the active worksheet. However, referencing another cell within this loop can be tricky. The key concept here is that the loop iterates through each cell in the used range one by one. When we want to reference another cell, we need to use a combination of the cell's row and column indices. Think of it like a coordinate system on a map. We need to specify both the x-coordinate column and y-coordinate row to pinpoint a specific location. Let's break it down further. Within the loop, we can access the current cell being processed using the cell variable. To reference another cell, we can use the cell's collection, which allows us to specify the row and column and indices of the target cell. For example, if we want to reference a cell 3 rows below and 2 columns to the right of the current cell, we would use something like cell, round 3, cell. This syntax tells VBA to start from the current cell's position and move down 3 rows and over 2 columns. Another important aspect is understanding how to use relative references. When working within a loop, it's often more convenient to reference cells relative to the current cell being processed. We can achieve this by using the offset method, which allows us to specify an offset from the current cell's position. By combining these concepts, using row and column indices, referencing other cells using the cell's collection, and employing relative references with the offset method, you'll be able to address other cells within a for each cell in ActiveSheet. UsedRange loop like a pro. To recap, here are the essential points to remember. For each cell in ActiveSheet, UsedRange loop iterates through each cell in the used range one by one. To reference another cell within the loop, use the cell's collection and specify the row and column indices of the target cell. Use relative references with the offset method to move away from the current cell's position. By combining these concepts, you can address other cells within a loop efficiently. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this explanation helped clarify how to reference other cells within a for each cell in ActiveSheet. UsedRange loop in Excel VBA programming. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on Excel VBA programming and other related topics. We'd love to hear from you and see how we can help you improve your skills. Until next time, happy coding!